Namaskar friends, welcome to my channel Bhaktipada Mahanti, where we learn English easily and smartly. Today I will show you how to write a perfect and simple application to your headmaster for a transfer certificate, also known as a TC. Sometimes students need to take admission in a new school due to transfer, change of location, or other personal reasons. For that, you need a transfer certificate from your present school. So, how do you write the application? Let's see. To the headmaster, your school name, school address. Start with the address of your school, just like this. Then, date. Don't forget to write the date on the left side. Subject, application for transfer certificate, in bracket TC. This subject line makes it clear what your application is about. Okay. Then, respected sir or madam, I am, mention your name, a student of class, mention your class, in your school. I kindly request you to issue my transfer certificate as my father has been transferred to another city and I have to take admission in a new school. I am thankful for all the support and guidance I have received in this school. Kindly grant me the TC at the earliest. Keep your language simple and polite. Always mention the reason clearly and respectfully. Okay. Lastly, you can write, thanking you, yours obediently, your full name, class and roll number. Always be polite and honest in your application. Okay. I hope this video helped you understand how to write an application for TC. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Bhaktipada Mahanti for more useful English content. Okay, see you soon with another useful video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind.